What if you have a string of text that has a specific pattern to it, and you want to break that text into individual lines in a Google spreadsheet? Each one of these is a row created from one of the strings inside our text. And what if that text pattern was that you had a start bracket and you wanted to include everything up to but not including the next start bracket? You could use a regular expression that would break out your text into individual chunks, individual bundles. Take your text over to regex101.com, then go to ChatGPT and ask for a regular expression that breaks up text where each item starts with a square bracket, and so you want to capture everything up to the next square bracket, but not including that square bracket. Inside parentheses is everything that we're going to capture. In this case, we're capturing a whole bunch of empty strings because we're not searching for anything. So let's search for something. The first thing we want to search for is an angle bracket, but the regular expression engine thinks that an angle bracket is the beginning of a command. So we have to escape the square bracket by putting a backslash in front of it. We're looking for all literal square bracket, open square bracket. And over here on the right, you can see that we found one, and inside our group, our set of parentheses, we captured one square bracket. Then we found another one and we captured it. We have 6 strings, so we have 6 matches. Dot says, get me 0 or 1 characters of any type following the thing you just found. And the asterisk changes that into get me any number of any character. And then the question mark says, but don't search all the way to the end of the string, just match the first time that you find a match. Now, because we haven't ended this search in any way, we haven't said, and by the way, stop, we're getting the entire string. Stop the search by saying, look ahead and find the next square bracket and give me everything up to, but not including that bracket. So that's where this capture group comes in, this second one. It's called a look around, a positive look ahead. The parentheses say capture what you find. The question mark equal says look ahead. The backslash square bracket says up to the next square bracket, or that's the vertical pipe. The dollar sign says the end of the line. Now, if you look over under match information on the right, the first match is the first square bracket up to but not including the second square bracket. The second one is the second square bracket up to but not including the third square bracket. The third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one follow the same logic. We get 6 bundles of string. Each one has their square bracket content, their post square bracket content, and then stops. Now we want to put it into a Google Sheet. We could put this bundle by bundle into the sheet. That's an option. You could do 6 operations, or we could create one operation and aggregate, and then another operation to put the aggregated array into the sheet. You get an array aggregator, and you say that the source of it is the text parser that's giving you the bundles, and the thing that you want to aggregate is the value, because value is what you get inside the parentheses. That's the thing you matched on that you said, return this to me. And then you use a bulk add rows Google Sheets module, and you take the array from that previous step, and you make that the rows value. And that produces a bulk add to your Google Sheet, so that when we run this, we get 6 new rows, and they all start with square bracket, and there are 6 of them because there are 6 bundles. So you are now a regular expression expert. That is how you split up a string into Google Sheets.